In this tutorial, we study about sketch mirror, extrude mirror, and the datum plane. So let's start today tutorial. So firstly select sketch option and then choose any surface. Now sketch view, select line option, then draw as we want. Now after completing one side of the sketch, choose center line option and draw a center line. Now select all the lines, enter, click on mirror. Now choose center line and this portion is mirror. So this is the sketch view option, which is very easy for making. Now we comes to extrude mirror. So in extrude mirror, firstly we want to select extrude one and more than one. Select for control, press and then select another extrude portion. So we want to mirror a rectangle hole and this shaft. So we select extrude 2 and extrude 3. Now mirror is open, then select mirror and now we want to select a mirror plane. So we select this and now press OK. So as you can see, the same rectangle hole and shaft is in this side. So this is the extrude sketch mirror. So now let's we come on datum plane. So basically what is datum? Datum is used for select any surface and give any another plane for design and other. Like I want to select this plane and we want to shift this plane. So this is another plane and we can change the height of the other plane. like I choose 50. So you can see the offset size change 100 to 50. Now press OK. So now we draw something on this surface. This is our new plane on a new surface. So I choose it, extrude, and then select. So after selecting this plane, we work on it easily. So you can see another rectangle on the other surface or other plane. Now OK. Then OK. So now that's the reason we choose plane in this model for another sketch on other plane as we need. So this whole video is about sketch mirror, extrude mirror, and the datum plane. So thank you.